nice and flat. That's how it should be. But it's also too small.
What?
This one.
Make sure
There's
you come
a
back
hole.
every day to get your AFK
Yeah, I don't know
rewards.
why.
Your heroes are fighting all
This one
night
is
long.
straight up trash.
How many times have you moved?
I can tell you, when I was a baby, we moved less than I thought, I think. I don't remember that. Then we moved to Hungary. When I was like 11, we moved to Esslingen. Then we moved in Esslingen when I was like 14. No, 15.
Didn't you move once more? No. I haven't really packed like this, I think. When I was younger, we moved a bit with my parents, but it was with the companies.
I feel like I will do most of the cleaning part and you will do most of the packing part. I feel like you kind of like packing even.
Yes, I like it. I felt like I have to put something underneath, cause I don't know.
I use the red marker for sensitive stuff. Should also write on it where it goes.
Yeah.
What did you do? Does it hurt?
Yes.
I think I can't reach it. I will just spray it. I don't think I can reach it, okay?
Okay, that doesn't hurt that much.
Dude. 2 minutes into cleaning and you...
Is it usual or special situation that we don't have to paint when we move out and also to move in? Both.
It's I don't know.
I think it's a bit special. And the older you get, like, the more sophisticated the flats get, the more usual it is to paint. So my mother had to paint usually when she moved out. And I also remember we usually painted. Some have the rule that you paint when coming in, which makes more sense, but somehow in Germany it's more popular to paint when you leave. But we don't have to. That's lucky a bit.
Did they blame you?
No, not at all. Love is pretty. Sorry. Was möchtest du essen? Was möchtest du gerne essen?
Etwas Leckeres.
Okay. Or there's mustard, barbecue, chili sauce, curry sauce, mayonnaise, ketchup, sour cream,
Okay, whatever.
cranberry.
Don't
and
go
ranch.
there. No.
I was never there.
Bye. Bye.
Have fun.
That's feast.
Oh. So then this is plastic.
No, I think it's paper mixed with plastic, which is even worse.
How fast is your Wi-Fi at home?
I think it's 20,000.
Wow.
What?
Only?
I think so.
We have 500,000
Oh,
in
that's fast.
Munich.
Oh wait, what's the unit there?
Megabits per second.
But ours is
Super slow.
500 megabytes. And yours is
20.
Mm.
So it's
20 megabytes?
so ours is
What?
more than it's
What?
25 times as fast as his.
What?
It's okay.
Wow.
What
It's
do you
really
mean?
not different. It's double the speed.
Double the speed. It's 27 euro per average, and the other one is 24 euro per average.
Yeah, it's really not that different. Go for it. 500. Because of this, I searched for how it is in Korea, and the minimum was 100, and then the next one was 500 or something.
And it went up
Mm.
to 10,000, I think.
Yeah, I don't remember exactly, but yeah.
But Korea is also the country with the fastest internet in the world.
Yeah.
So in Germany, it's just forgot that there's a new technology.
I think when I was younger, like in elementary school, I heard that they have like now like glass fiber, blah blah. I've seen some advertisements in TV, and
In elementary school, we didn't have internet.
Okay. My elementary school was from 2000 to 2005. So it seems like I was confused with this high-speed internet advertisements with optic glass fiber. But actually, optic glass fibers were introduced in Korea in 2005. So technically I wasn't wrong. And comparing the speed of the internet, well, I guess it wasn't worth to have the internet at home in Germany.
Also ein Chicken Nugget gegen einen Big Mac.
Kein Deal.
or do you want it?
So you already wiped everywhere? Oh nice, then we can actually go.
You mean at least?
At least fast, ey. Come on, because there's a movie. Espresso, bitte.
Ein Espresso?
Ja.
Einen einfachen?
Ja.
Alles bei Ihnen?
Ja.
2,20 bitte.
I was stuck. I paid. I saw the ticket first. I got it. It moved. And then I heard the sound of the coins. And then it went back again.
So you just climbed?
No, and then the janitor or cleaning grandpa opened another door.
I don't think I want to go that fast with that car. I was surprised by myself. Augsburg.
I'm so used to this kind of thing, but now that I see it again, I feel so guilty to buy so much plastic.
Yeah, and that's, I don't know, not really necessary. But today, it's a special day. Do I really want this sauce? What's inside? Who uses the whole dressing? I think it's enough. 잘 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다. With new view. Ha. And much to clean. Wow. How's it going?
Do you see where I'm standing on?
Doesn't it really look like a jail?
That's where I will put you.
Can you explain roughly about the basement?
It's
Like-
the basement where we storing space. And right now we store trash because the paper trash is full. So we have a lot of boxes from moving.
So like one apartment has one area to store something?
Yeah, usually. So you can put things there. You don't need all the time tools or just many things, or snowboarding stuff, or skiing stuff, and camping stuff, summer stuff, like those things you can also put. Oh, I don't know.
This is
This is the laundry space.
but there are also
There are more
basement.
basement.
some other people's basement. It smells good here.
There are the washing machines. We call it Waschkeller. And this one.
We are only allowed to use this one.
I mean, we could also get our own one, I guess.
What is that?
Dryer. And we only pay the water. It's quite
Some
nice.
people also dry their clothes here.
Yeah.